Hi, I'm Karina Fraley for Expert Village, and we are making pilgrim placeholders. And we have gone ahead and painted our little guy's face, and next we are going to attach the nose. I'm going to use the little pom-pom like I did for the turkey eyes. So these are good to have around. You can use them for all kinds of projects. But if you don't have them, don't worry about it. You can just go ahead and paint the nose on. But I have mine on there, so again, just a little dot of glue, and careful if young children are working on this project, don't let them use the glue gun because they will likely burn themselves and it hurts. Okay, so there's the little nose, and now we're ready to attach the clothes. Now the clothes is basically just a little strip of felt, and you're just going to determine how much you need by laying out your felt like this and wrapping it around right underneath the mouth of your pilgrim. And then you're going to take your scissors and cut like that. And then you're going to have the right size. And you're going to glue it. A little strip of glue there. And glue it down. And then a couple more strips of glue around like that. And there you have that. And then you can tuck. You can either tuck or cut this a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and cut mine a little bit more because it's a little too much to tuck in. And then you tuck it in like that, and you can tack it down with a few dots of glue in there. Put it in there and fold it up. And that will stay like that.